In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, take a moment to open your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once you're there, navigate to Monday.com. You'll need to sign in to your account if you haven't already. Make sure you enter your login credentials correctly to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, keep your eyes peeled for your profile icon. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen and could be represented by a small circular image or your initials. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options. From this drop-down menu, select the My Profile option. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view and edit your profile information. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the section marked Personal Info. This is where you'll be managing your details, including your email information. Click on the Personal Info section to reveal more options related to your profile. Next, you'll want to focus on the Email section. Here, you will see your current email address displayed. To change it, click on that email address. This should make the field editable, allowing you to type in a new email address. Be very careful while entering your new email. Double-check for any typos to ensure that the new email is correct. It's always a good idea to double-check your work to avoid any complications later. Once you have correctly entered your new email address, the final step is to click the Confirm button. This action will save your update, and your email address will be changed successfully. That's all there is to it. You've now changed your email on Monday.com. Remember to check your new email for any verification requests, as some platforms may send a confirmation email to ensure that the change was authorized by you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues while changing your email, feel free to drop a comment below. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.